Okay, Rule 122, Appeal. Section 1, who may appeal? So, sabi dyan, any party may appeal from the judgment or final order unless the accused will be placed on double jeopardy. So, any party, so pwedeng yung accused on a judgment of conviction. Pwede din naman yung state ng mag-appeal, provided it will not place the accused on double jeopardy, and also the complainant can appeal, but on the civil aspect of the case only. And so there are also guidelines when appeal is made by the complainant. So as to the civil aspect of the case, the offended party has the right to appeal, but he must state the pecuniary interest. There is no need to notify the solgen, but if it affects the criminal aspect of the case, the reviewing court must direct the solgen to give its conformity within 30 days. So, pwedeng C.1, civil aspect lang, but he must state the pecuniary interest. Yan. So, 2, the petition for certiorari or appeal affects the right to prosecute or the criminal aspect of the case. The reviewing court should direct the solgen to give its conformity within the non-extendable period of 90 days. So, if it affects the criminal case, kailangan yung solgen's conformity. So, if petition for certiorari challenges the acquittal of the accused or the dismissal of the case or any interlocutory order, the reviewing court should direct the solgen to give its conformity within 30 days. So, again, so kung yung acquittal or dismissal yung question niya, kailangan sabihan si solgen. Okay. So, Section 2, where to appeal. The appeal may be taken as follows: to the RTC in cases decided by the MTC, to the CA or the Supreme Court in proper cases, to the Supreme Court in cases decided by the Court of Appeal. So, mamaya kuha tayo ng chart, no, para dyan. Kasi pwedeng from MTC to RTC ka. Pwede rin namang from the RTC to the CA, or kaya from the RTC direct to the Supreme Court, or from the CA to the Supreme Court. How is appeal taken? So, the appeal to the regional trial court or to the Court of Appeals in cases decided by the regional trial court in the exercise of its original jurisdiction shall be taken by filing a notice of appeal with the court which rendered the judgment or final order appealed from and by serving a copy thereof upon the adverse party. So, magsa-chart tayo. Okay. So, how is appeal taken? Yan. Dito na lang tayo mag-chart. And so, if the appeal is from the MTC to the RTC, the mode of appeal is by a notice of appeal. Yan. From the RTC to the CA, petition for review ang mode of appeal. Tapos, ipa-file mo yan kay CA kasi review nga, diba? Notice of appeal, sa MTC mo ipa-file yan. Tapos, yung all the files of the case will be forwarded to the RTC. Na kung aapila ka mula sa RTC decision, petition for review on certiorari ang gagamitin mo. Tapos, ipa-file mo sa CA. So, ang ma-cover dito ay questions of law, questions of facts, or mixed questions of law or of facts. So, kung from the CA, apila ka pa din to the Supreme Court, no, ang mode mo dito is petition for review on certiorari. So, dito, questions of law only. Yan. Pwede din naman na ang gagawin mo ay from the RTC ka nagsimula. So, RTC to the CA. So, si RTC, mag-file ka sa kanya ng Notice of Appeal. Aakyat lahat ng records to the CA. Now, kung ang promulgation ni CA is a penalty of reclusion perpetua, life imprisonment, or a lesser penalty, pwede kang umapila dyan via Notice of Appeal din. Kay CA mo ipa-file, tapos aakyat yan sa Supreme Court. Yan. So, pero it does not preclude you to, from the Notice of Appeal, no? Notice of Appeal from the Notice of Appeal. If from the RTC, aapila ka directly to the Supreme Court, pwede rin naman yan. Ang gamitin mo ay Rule 45. Yan, petition for review and certiorari. Pero only questions of law lang yun. Pero pag ang ginamit mo ay Notice of Appeal to the CA and then nag-Notice of Appeal ka ulit to the CA, eh di ba ang Notice of Appeal pwede yan questions of law, questions of facts, or mixed question of law or of fact. Pag ginamit mo ang Rule 45, questions of law lang yan. Yan. Pwede din naman na from the RTC ka, RTC, yan, pumunta ka ng CA, yan. Tapos ang promulgation kasi dito is death. Yan. There will be an automatic review by the CA. Tapos kung itong si CA naman ay inaffirm pa ang death penalty ng RTC ruling, it will elevate to the SC for final review. Kasi death penalty yan. Okay. So, balik tayo. How appeal is taken. Yan, no? Yan. Yun yung sinasabi sa section 3. Ito yan, yung ating chart. Yan. Publication of Notice of Appeal. If a personal service or a copy of the Notice of Appeal cannot be made upon the adverse party or counsel, service may be done by registered mail or substituted service pursuant to Section 7 and 8 of Rule 13. Waiver of notice. The appellee may waive his right to the notice to add that an appeal has been taken. The appellate court may, in its discretion, entertain an appeal notwithstanding failure to give such notice if the interest of justice so require. So, when appeal to be taken, an appeal must be taken within 15 days from the promulgation of the judgment or from notice of final order appealed from. So, this period perfecting an appeal shall be suspended from the time a motion for new trial or reconsideration is filed until notice of the order overruling the motion shall be served upon the accused or his counsel, at which time the balance of the period becomes to run. Pero subject to NAPES rule yan. Okay. Ito hindi naman importante. Ito na-discuss natin. So, effect of appeal of several accused. Okay, so ito, when one or some of the accused did not appeal. So, importante ito, effect of appeal by any of several accused. So, an appeal taken by one or more of the several accused shall not affect those who did not appeal, and except insofar as the judgment of the appellate court is favorable or applicable to the latter. The appeal of the offended party from the civil aspect shall not affect the criminal aspect of the judgment or order appealed from. So, upon perfection of the appeal, the execution of the judgment or final order appealed from shall be stayed as to the appealing party. So, those who did not appeal will not be affected by the judgment on the appeal of others, except if the judgment is applicable or favorable to them. So, what is the effect of appeal on the judgment? The appeal will stay on the judgment. The appeal will stay the judgment as to those who appealed and final to those who did not. If, kunwari, yung appeal mo, hindi mo nasunod ito, no, itong chart natin. Kung hindi ito nasunod, you brought the appeal to the wrong court, then the appeal will be dismissed. Okay. Withdrawal of appeal. So the appellant may withdraw his appeal before the record has been forwarded by the clerk of court to the proper appellate court, in which case the judgment shall become final. Appointment of counsel de officio for the accused on appeal. It shall be the duty of the clerk of court upon filing of the notice of appeal to ascertain from the appellant, if confined in prison, whether he desires the RTC, CA, or SC to appoint counsel de officio to defend him, and to transmit with the record on form to be prepared by the clerk of court of the appellate court a certificate of compliance with this duty too of the response of the appellate office inquiry. So, ano pa ba pwedeng discuss sa appeal? Yun, that's appeal. That's Rule 122.